Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Let's make some pesto. Start by grating a half cup of Parmesan Reggiano. You will need 2 to 3 cups of fresh sweet basil. Roast a third cup of pine nuts in a pan. Set the heat on a low setting. No oil is needed. As the pine nuts roast, they will release their own oil. Stir until you see that they are toasted and remove them from the pan. Peel 2 garlic cloves. Put the garlic cloves and pine nuts into your food processor and blend. Add basil, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and blend. Last, add the Parmesan cheese and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Pepper can also be added if you like. And blend. Your pesto's done and ready for your next fabulous Italian creation. Thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified of our next video upload. The full recipe is down in the description box. Thanks again. Bye-bye.